Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice buffet with a nice little wine compartment here that we're going to redo, so follow along. Alright, here's the plan. What we're going to do is we're going to take the doors off, drawers out, we're going to sand, or maybe even try to get a stained top, and then the base is going to be painted black, and we'll scuff it up a little bit, and then we'll go from there. So first thing, let's get the hardware off, and then we can assess, make sure everything's nice and tight, and then we can start sanding. Ready? Alright, we're going to attempt to sand the top down in this nice beveled edge here. Should be fun. We're going to use 120 grit sandpaper, my Dewalt sander here. Back and forth, matching the grain. See how it looks after we get it all sanded. If we don't like the outcome, we'll just paint the top. Alright, let's stain the top. I've got a brand new dark walnut stain. I've cut a sock in half. We're going to use one to apply it and one to dry or pull any excess off. So let's get started. Alright, while the stain's drying, we're going to start working on the drawers, the door fronts, the shelves, all that good stuff. We're going to do the back sides of everything first, do 2 layers, and then we'll flip them over and do the fronts of everything. I've got Behr Prime and Paint. It's Carbon Black is the name of it. Alright, 2 layers of paint on it. We let it dry overnight. We're in Phoenix, so probably only needed an hour, but I gave it all night. I've got some 120 old sandpaper. I'm just going to go around, scuff up the corners, just give it a soft scuff. You can do whatever level of scuffing you want. I prefer used sandpaper. It doesn't leave as hard of a grit line. Go with the patterns of daily wear. We'll do this, we'll do the doors, drawers, get it all taken care of, and then we can start assembly. up the way I want it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start waxing everything. Start with the top, work our way down, do the drawers, everything, and then we can start putting the hardware back on, get the door hung, and we can start getting some pictures of this. Alright, here it is completed. Carbon black, which we scuffed up. We've got a dark walnut stain top. And well, got all kinds of accessories here for making this into a beautiful wine cabinet or a buffet that would look good in a lot of people's houses. I even like the waxed finish over the scuff. Really gives it a nice little pop. Everything that you could ever want. Big, heavy, and lots of wine. I know my wife, yeah, you like this? Is going to love all the space for this wine. So, if you like this project, the MiniWax brothers, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and well, I'll try to keep impressing you with some of my projects here, and trying to keep my supervisor off my back.